Hi guys, thanks for being here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our today's video, I am going to show you some amazing contemporary metal table legs, table based designs that will inspire you, and then you can make it your home if you have a basic knowledge of welding, and you can sell it online to earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Metal table legs and base have become increasingly popular in contemporary design. The sleek modern look of metal adds a touch of elegance and the sophistication to any space, whether it's for a coffee table, dining table, or even a desk. Metal table legs and the bases are a great option for those looking for add some style and the flair of their home or office. Contemporary metal table legs and base come in a variety of design, from simple and the minimalist to intricate and the ornate. Some popular designs include geometric shape, curved line, and the abstract form. The design of the metal table's legs base can be a focal point of the table.
To creating a new and innovative way to write about that metal table legs can help attract customer and make your product stand out in a competitive market. Here are some ideas on how to approach this and promote your metal table legs online without any difficulties. Here we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here, and thanks for watching, and to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. So let's get started. Avoid using generic product description that can be found on the other website. Highlight the special feature of your product and benefit your metal table legs, such as their durability, design, and the versatility. Use creative way and engage potential buyer and showcase your value of your product. Craft a compelling story around your metal table legs. Describe the journey of how tables are manufactured, lauding the materials used and the skilled craftsmanship includes and involved. People love stories, and this is a personal touch and can create an emotional connection with your potential customers. To make a beautiful table legs, you have to use your craftsmanship and durable materials such as metal, steel, and some other elements by crafted a premium grade steel metal legs boast unmatched durability and the stability ensure your table stand tall of your home with their sleek minimalist design. They effortlessly complement any interior for a modern apartments to the rustic farmhouse, easy to install and maintain. Metal eggs save you time and effort, making your do-it-by-yourself project are pretty simple. Attach them to your tabletops of choice and will you have a stunning centerpiece ready to impress. These these versatile legs offer endless durability from dining table to the coffee table, work desk to the console. Embrace your creativity and design the future and furniture you